I'm going to be on Kylie's app today, cooking with Kylie. Kylie, hi. Thank you for having me.
Of course. So Khloe doesn't eat red meat, so great. She's not going to be able to eat this meal.
But this is for when Harry comes over and I could cook for Harry.
Yeah.
But she, you know, it's always good to know how to make sliders. She already knows.
You know what I'm saying? That's what it's for, truthfully.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Nance.
Your man likes hamburgers.
Yep. So today we have ground beef, chopped garlic, we have cooked bacon, Laurie's seasoned salt, pepper, you need butter, mustard, this is teriyaki sauce, this is a major key. Our little slider buns, we have white cheddar, lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles. These are all like the condiments of your choice. So we're gonna do 2.5 teaspoons of garlic.
Smells garlicky.
And then we have our washed hands. Chloe, you wanna get in here?
Washed hands. I have rings on her nails.
Okay. And you're just gonna mix it all together. I like to use my hands because you have to form
Patties.
your patties anyway, so you're gonna have to get in there.
And it's made with love.
Yeah, for sure.
Garlicky. When in doubt, garlic it out.
So I'm gonna do a little seasoned salt.
So she just shook an entire layer on the pound of red beef. Ooh, a little one pinch. And
I think I'm gonna do 1 pinch of pepper so far.
Okay.
And then we're gonna mix that all.
Flavor never hurt. Who wants a non-flavorful patty?
So
now the secret potion!
So this is the secret potion, teriyaki sauce. All right, this is what's up.
Okay, so
Look how
this
good
is
this
the
is
kicker on this. This is the kicker.
Yeah.
So these are teriyaki burgers. Sam, Gina, you fucking fly with this meal.
I know. Wow, this looks good. Don't you want to
So
eat it right
good.
now?
No, I would die.
I'll take a bite right now.
And then you're gonna put another layer of teriyaki sauce, and we're gonna let it marinate for about like 20 minutes.
Let's put it in the fridge. We will be right back. Intermission. Phew. Ooh, 20 minutes. Yeah.
And now we are gonna mix it up a little more and make the patties. So put them into a little ball. I kind of like to measure them to the patty that we're gonna use. Like this looks about good and it shrinks a bit.
Cute.
I'm gonna teach you guys a little trick when you cook on the
I
stove
love
top.
tricks.
Yeah. So since I like my beef cooked all the way through,
Same.
maybe like a little red,
People don't.
you take my little spoon and I make a little indent in the middle.
What does it do?
Just helps the inside of your burger like cook easier, you know? So you make
Good little tidbit. So do you start with that side down first or no?
yeah, I'm gonna start with this side down first. We're gonna put a tablespoon of butter on the bottom of the pan, and then you're gonna go ahead and put your patties on. While these are cooking, we are gonna toast our buns on the stove.
Ooh, toast our buns. Yeah.
So we're gonna start heating an additional pan for our buns. You wanna leave your burgers on one side for a good amount of time. So once your whole pan, your larger pan's covered with butter, we're all gonna put our little things
Face down.
face down,
Face down, buns up.
Yeah.
face down, buns
Yeah,
up.
clever.
So you're only gonna keep these on for like 2 minutes till it gets a little toasty.
I think we're ready to flip these.
Whoa.
Wow, if I ate beef, what wouldn't I do for this burger?
And we gotta make sure your heat is low.
Lower so it slowly cooks through. Patience is a virtue.
So the buns are starting to get toasty. They'll look like this. And then once they look like that, you can take them off. Toasting your bun, I think, is just crucial.
Honestly, love is in the details, and you just added some love.
So you don't want to keep your burgers, your meat on for more than 10 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, sorry.
We're applying the cheese while it's
the
still.
final step.
I'm actually going to just
Why
turn
do
it
my
off.
boobs itch so badly? Does that mean they're growing?
They're definitely growing.
I hope they're growing. Getting ready for my boob job, guys.
I'm throwing a lid over the pan so the cheese
Melts
melts.
quicker.
And I've turned off the stove now. So,
Oh, did you see that cheese just like sticking onto that
Yeah, I did.
pan? Yeah, that was a good little shot.
So-
So, put your bacon on?
I think I will put a little bacon on.
Oh, look at you foaming at the mouth. Waiting for your burger.
And close. Should we eat it?
It's standing up.
Yes, Kylie.
How is it?
Really good.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's actually amazing.
Aren't I just so good?
Honestly, you're one of the best chefs.
You kind of are one of the best, and you're just so darn cute that there's not much
It's
more
just
we
like
can do with you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Cooking with Kylie. I hope you learned something. Thank you, Khloe, for coming and just supervising.
Thank you for teaching me how to make red meat and pork.
Of course. Love you guys.
Thank you, Harry, for
Thank you, Harry, for eating the burger.
having it.